Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CBIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was down at its lows and where the price ultimately closed up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely had a very nice bounce on the day. This does lead to the valid question, though, of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area on the chart is down here at, what is that? 0.086. So why is 0.086 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0.086. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it is just broken out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back some more, not saying this will, but just for example's sake, comes down here, and then behaves in this manner before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this previous set right there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward over time. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying, quote-unquote, make progress as 0.086. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, it's all about the purple line right here, which is that 50-period simple moving average. You can see that's right where the bounce today got stopped up at that level. So going forward in the next week, public enemy number one, the 50-period simple moving average. No doubt about it, nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.